Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you 5 useful websites that all smartphone users should know. This link is for those who like to hide their identity on internet. On some websites we are afraid to shine up our own emails. So friends, today I am presenting to you a website that will provide email for 10 minutes. Then see how it is possible. Special website that allows you to listen the radio clearly anywhere in the world. This website gives you facility to read all kind of books in PDF file. It could be a job, autobiography, science, technology, anything you need. Want to change the background of a photo? Don't know how to do it? Now I will tell you a website that can change the background of your photo just 10 seconds. Xposed.com. Want short video clips for editing? You can get any video short clips here. Let me tell you, all the websites there are free. Please comment which website you find useful. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon below.